Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass unsupported processor on Windows 11. Firstly, you need to edit the Windows registry to bypass the CPU check in Windows. Hit Start and type regedit. Then hit Enter to launch the registry editor. Now, navigate to the computer /hkey local machine /system/setup/mo setup, either by pasting that whole address into the box just beneath File, Edit, View, Favorites, Help, or by drilling down through the hkey local machine and System and Setup and Mo setup folders one at a time. First, a new dword, then enter a value of 1. In the right pane, click and pick New dword, 32-bit value, then name the value to allow upgrades with unsupported TPMOR CPU, minus the quotes. Just double-click on the new value you created and enter 1 into the value data field. Hit OK and choose the registry editor. Close it to save. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.